Hi guys, this is my first video and I'm going to be drawing. So I'm going to be drawing a wolf today, and yeah. So how am I going to do this? So if I go over here and I go the whole ways across, just do a straight line there. You can just do them on the flat ground, whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. And then if you just get it, go like this. Go up, over and down. Now that's the basics. Then on the ears, you just get one, put it up like this, simple. Put this back. Then you can do the other. I'm not very good at drawing, so please don't judge. And that's little two ears. And that's him right now. So then I'm just going to draw his tail. You can draw whatever kind of tail you want. I'm just going to go like this. I'm way better doing tails, so I just went like this for the video. Basically, yeah, that's it. And I'm going to do a little bit of design. That's the little moon. Sorry. That's the little moon that I'm doing. Sorry, my hand in the way, guys. Okay, so yeah. I'm way better at drawing. It's just like a small page. I'm holding the camera and stuff. And yeah. Sorry that the background. Just my brothers, my parents and stuff. In a couple of more videos I'll be drawing different kind of things. Give me kind of thumbs up and stuff. If you like this video. And now I'm just going to put E down for a second and then I'll show you it's properly done. Okay guys? So please give me subscribe to my channel. I really need it. I want to be a YouTuber. I want to be good. Just please. That's the basics done. Sorry guys for showing you. I said I'll show you when I'm done, but here it goes. I'm not the best drawer. I'm not good. It's just, I just want to show you how to draw a wolf. I'm definitely not the best drawer. But I'm okay drawing wolves. Like you think this is a dog or the tail and stuff. And I don't know if you think of any other reasons. I'm just going to give him a little smile here. And that's him. So guys, please give a thumbs up if you like this video and I'll update another video. Bye.